And guys, today I'm in Agristo company. As you can see, he's my uncle, and this company is very clean. And you can see there is no more people in this company. I think everybody has on the duty. This company appears something like this from the front view. By the way, this company makes chips or snacks. If you want to get more information about this company, so you can search Agristo company on Google. Right now, I am in mechanical department. As you can see behind me, very big machines. This machine called DEF. We have tired while roaming around the company. So right now, I'm in the canteen of this company. As you can see, this canteen is very clean and bright. There are very less people in the canteen. You know, it's a Saturday and many people has day off. That's why there is very less people in this canteen. I was coming back from the Agristo company. It's been late, so my father decided to have dinner. So finally we have reached a Muslim restaurant, so I am going to have dinner now. I will meet you after the dinner, okay? As you can see, I'm sitting in the Muslim restaurant and my brother and my father has ordered. We are waiting for the food. Look around. The hotel looks beautiful and it's clean. My food has arrived. Now it is time to enjoy it. Wow, the taste is delicious. I love it. I especially eat kebab. Kebab is my favorite dish. Alhamdulillah, the lunch is over. Now we are going home. As you can see, we have a dinner here at this restaurant and here is very crowd. As I think this restaurant is very famous. This restaurant is located on Delhi National Highway. He is my uncle. His name is Shakil Ahmed. I am introducing my uncle. He's very good man. He's very wisdom man. He's very intelligent man. I reached quite late last night. As you saw in previous short, I went in an Agristo company. That company makes chips. Actually, I work in company. I visited company yesterday to look around what's happening in the company. I think there we can get an opportunity to work. That's why my father and I visited Agristo company. It was beautiful to visit. So now I'm at home and sitting out from my home enjoying the weather. By the way, it's morning. As you can see, a heron finding his food in the grass. I think the weather isn't good. Everywhere is in the sky is black clouds. I had been working on my laptop. What now? I switched off my laptop because I need to take shower now. I had been working since morning on the laptop. By the way, I was working on Excel. I had been making a worksheet on Excel. You know, Excel is the best software. So basically now I am going to take shower. I think the time is 5 o'clock at evening. I have told you many times in my previous blogs that I like to take shower at evening. The tire has punctured of my father's car. I am going to change it. First of all, I have to find the tire. So as you can see, the tire is placed here. I took the tire out. Now I am going to set the jack under this car. He is my mini cousin. As you can see, he is very smiling today. I don't know what the reason behind this. Hey mini cousin, come here. People want to talk to you. Now I am going to lose the bolt of this tire. So I had been making puncture. So as you can see, I get many boys here. They all are helping my work.
Hello.
They helped me very much. Now we are going home because I punctured the tire and you can see sweat on my face. It's another day morning and I am having banana in the morning. If you eat banana in the morning, you will get, I don't know how much calorie will you intake. I have no information about that. So guys, this is enough for today. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. Till then, subscribe, hit the bell icon, share, comment. Okay, bye.